before you even go in there if you want to do that way.
Go to the courthouse, transfer it over.
Yep.
Hey, you're right then and there.
All right. Now you get the keys and everything. Piece of my damn battery.
Car. I'm going to wash the living hell out of it.
Oh no, it did that. It had the light on this one. It was right there. This was the lamp.
Adjustable lumbar. There's something else that can go there. I know that. Lumbar's not working. Decent sized back seat. That's gonna go. Don't know what that is. Seats are ragged, but hey, it's a $250 car.
Hey!
Those are in the trunk.
Turn it over sometimes when we started.
Why's that?
Come here, that little piece on top of it. Ain't nothing I've been doing. Alright, get the
Power windows. Power seats. This moves it up and down, back and forth, up and down. I don't have a clue what the hell that is. Or that. That's the same thing as before. It's a lumbar. And you'll recline. Let's see. That window doesn't work. It's got the same issue as Tinker's car. The motor's not connected to the window. That didn't work. 143,000 miles. A mystery burn on the steering wheel. Let's see what else. Woo! Courtesy light. God damn it. Fuck it, I'll do it later. Somebody's a smoker.
What are you doing? What's he doing?
I'm backing up.
You ready to let it, you not done taking pictures, okay.
3.8.
What's you running to get my cigarette?
Supercharger from Super Cougar built right on there.
On camera?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I think the temperature is like 92 degrees.
I've been in it's there all day, so.
So I'm gonna head till
Mercury.
I'm about getting up about 8 o'clock.
Cougar.
I didn't get up to about 9 or something.
Had a wheel off a Sable. That's kind of
I
odd.
decided to stay up late last night for some reason. He ain't gone to bed about 2:30.
XR7.
Playing the weed.
XR7 is just a, after 93 is just a whiz. It's just a, it's everything, you know. After 93 it doesn't have a V8, didn't have the optional suspension or anything, so well. It's got a center cap off the same Sable probably. That wheel doesn't have one at all. I'll close the gas door. Look at that. Oh hell. That don't close. Oh well.
And the best thing about it was, well, where she lives up
Turn so when you both busted out.
Upper, oh hell. Elliott County, Isonville, a little bit, it's almost to Grayson. But where she lives, her house is situated, you can't see another house front. Perfect place to break into. Somebody broke in her down. She was on the way to visit her sister in the hospital before she passed away. And she'd forgotten to do something, and she'd turn around and come back. And meanwhile, somebody busted her front door down.
There we go.
Oh my God.
They had somebody each end of the car watching the cell phone.
Man, this back seat is huge. Mom's Camaro has got a small ass back seat. Or her old Camaro anyway. Crazy lights. Oh, what the hell? Battery's not in it right now. I forgot that we just drove it around the parking lot, like right before I made this video. I'm sorry I didn't get that on there, guys. You'll live though. Rat mix. Open the door.
What are you doing, sport buddy?
Trying to get my ass out of here.
Hmm?
Trying to get my ass out of here.
Oh, you found it. Right here, Lee.
No, you lock it well enough for me to be getting it, you can pay me back.
Damn right.
Get out the damn way.
Shut up.
So, Jeremy, what time does
How much is it? $250. I'm making a video, dude. That's why you think I'm talking to myself.
You know.
Now, it's not the fastest, but damn, is it comfortable.
You know, if you want to do more,
I love it. I really love it.
What you running like so fast?
My new car.
I don't know.
93 Cougar
I got
XL7.
girlfriend to dinner sometime tomorrow.